Today, we're going to compare a solar oven to a conventional oven. You might want to know how to make a solar oven. The things that you need, well, they're quite simple and you probably will have them at your house. What you need is 2 layers of tin foil, a pizza box, some pencils, and a little bit of tape. Well, a lot of bit of tape. And some coloring markers if you prefer to color. First, you put the tin foil on the bottom and the top of the box. Then you're gonna put tape on the outside of the tin foil with the tin foil stuck to the tape and the box. You're gonna poke some holes with the pencils wherever you want it to go. If the box goes through the pencils and it goes down, then you can put some tape in the box where the pencils are, so keeping the box going through the pencils. Okay, let's try it out. So we're probably not gonna have enough sunlight to do this, but let's go inside. Well, good thing we made this one.